This just in. You're able to change your PSN name today. What is up, all you beautiful people on the interwebs? I'm Redrix, and oh my god, your prayers, our prayers have been heard. Well, before I get into it, hello, I am Redrix. If you don't know me yet by now, I do videos about like gaming news related to PlayStation. I do live streams every week and videos every week as well. So if this sounds cool to you, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I do my next live stream or video. Now, I'm lost for words. Today is the day. So a fellow YouTuber friend of mine called That Bald Gamer, also a very cool dude, just tagged me on a Twitter post from PlayStation themselves saying that, let me just have my Twitter here open. Oh my god, I'm so excited. See, if you can see it on the screen. From PlayStation, good news, all PS4 owners can change their online IDs starting today. Here's how it works, and then there's a link to it. They're basically saying that today's the day, April 10th of 2019. It's like kind of early 2019, but not really. It's mid 2019, but they said since October of 2018 that thank you for being patient since the day they announced they're working on this feature, and they are just announcing it today that it is coming out today. The feature is coming out today. You're able to change your PSN name today, and oh my god, I'm sorry for shouting, but there is a little catch here about that. If you bought a PlayStation after April 1st or something, I did not dig into it too much. I will leave the link in the description box down below on how to change your PSN name from PlayStation, because they are saying that you can either do it on your console or you can do it on your from the website itself when you log into PlayStation. So you can just, I think you can just go ahead and try to see if it's up or not, but it should be out later on today. What are you waiting for? If the video is up now and it happened, I don't know what to say right now. Just go ahead, try to check it out. If it works, I will try to do it as well. I'm actually pretty happy with my name, Redrix YouTube, so I will just try to see if it works with other names or something. I don't know. I'll just give it a try, but sorry for not digging into it enough, but I just needed to post this to you guys for all of you who have been waiting for the PSN name changing feature to be out, and it's out today, right now. Go ahead and try to see if it works. What else should I say? We're excited for this. We've been waiting for this moment for what, 6 months now? Since they announced it, because we've been waiting for this feature to be out a long time ago, since PS3, man. We've been waiting since the PS3, and now we're getting it. They didn't give any updates. They just said, hey, on Twitter, we're out now, go and try to see if it works. So I hope this video makes your day. Hopefully maybe later on you can see if it works or not, or maybe it would come later on in a couple of hours or so, I don't know. So yeah, that's it for today, folks. I just want to let you guys know that everything is going to be taken care of with the PSN name changing and whatsoever. Wow, it's coming out today. I'll see you in the next video or live stream. So if you haven't already, please subscribe and please hit the notification bell so you will see when I do my next live stream and video. I am lost for words. Sorry if I'm shouting a lot, and I'm just excited, and perhaps you guys are reacting the same way or even more poorly. I don't know, but I'm happy that, yeah, okay, I'll just shut it now, and I'll see you again in the next video. Alright, I'm Redrix as always, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!